Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad with Roshni. Today's headlines. Education Minister Shafkat Mahmood announced a revised schedule of reopening of school, according to which classes from 9th to 12th will begin from 18th January as planned previously, while classes from 1 to 8th will be started from 1st February instead of 25th January. A Pakistan International Airlines plane was held back in Malaysia as part of legal dispute between airlines and another party, the national flag carrier said. As the Scrutiny Committee of the Election Commission of Pakistan, auditing foreign funding of the ruling Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, met for a second consecutive day on Thursday. The PTI said that it was the only party that was managing its funds with complete transparency. A day after Special Assistant to the Prime Minister Imran Khan, Nadeem Afzal Chand resigned from the office. Some of his colleagues made abortive attempts to bring him back again to the federal cabinet, but Mr. Chand refused, saying he is sticking to his decision. A member of parliament from the Labour Party this week made a moving speech in Westminster Hall, where Parliament witnessed a discussion on the situation in occupied Kashmir. Shah Mahmood Qureshi said that the debate on Indian occupied Kashmir earlier this week in the British Parliament had made it clear that Kashmir is not India's internal issue. US prosecutors now believe supporters of President Donald Trump plan to capture and assassinate elected officials in their siege of Capitol building last week. A homegrown coronavirus vaccine will be rolled out in India from Saturday, even though clinical trials haven't been completed. But the government insists that it will be safe and effective. It's the end of today's news. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and also like it, share it and comments on it, and also follow us on Facebook. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.